Hi everyone, I'm Nikki. I'm an After Effects and Moho user who loves creating animations and motion graphics. However, I've always felt that Moho has some limitations, especially when it comes to text animation. I often found myself jumping back and forth between Moho and After Effects just to get the text right, so I created this plugin for you, Animation Presets. I'm using Moho version 14, and while I'm not sure about compatibility with older versions, it works perfectly here. To get started, simply download the plugin from the website, unzip it, and move the files to your scripts menu folder in the Moho directory. Once installed, go to the scripts menu, find Animation Presets, and open the window. With your layer selected, you can choose an animation and set the type to entrance, exit, or looping. For example, let's pick an entrance animation and click OK. Keyframes will appear instantly at your selected frame, or at frame 1 if you apply it while on frame 0. You can easily stack these. Just select a frame later in the timeline, open the window again, and add a looping or exit animation. The plugin works on vector layers, bitmaps, and even folder layers. You can even select entrance, looping, and exit all at once, and the plugin will automatically sequence all the keyframes for you. If you have multiple layers in a folder, use the Folder, Bulk, Selected option. You can choose the animation order from bottom to top or top to bottom, and even set a custom delay between layers. This is a huge time saver. And for the text lovers, there's the Generate Splitted Text feature. Just type your text, pick your font, and choose whether to split it by character, word, or line. You can customize the color, size, and spacing, and once you hit OK, the plugin creates a folder with every element on its own layer, ready to be animated with the presets. I hope this plugin helps speed up your workflow in Moho. Happy animating!